Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is bubble chart on Tableau. If you want to go on Excel, there is a video about bubble chart on Excel, and the link is in our video description. However, there is a slight difference between Tableau and Excel here. So what is a bubble chart? A bubble plot on Tableau or bubble chart shows the relationship between two numerical variables. What is the difference? On Excel, it is between three numerical variables. So is Excel better? Excel is quite a scatter plot and bubbles. So the second variable is the size is represented by the size of the bubble on Tableau. The third variable is only for the size of the bubble on Excel. My personal opinion is that on Tableau is more straightforward. So let's see what we have. So let's open our Excel file. And by the way, it's free. The link to download is in our video description as well as the Tableau file. We have here 7 companies: PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Courage, Soy Pacific, Suntory, Monster, and Nongfu. I'm sorry for my bad spelling on some names. We have here net income, net cash flow from operating activities, and company market cap. So let's create some bubbles here. So let's close it and let's open the Tableau. Remember, Tableau is not a database, so that's why we need the Excel file. Excel, bubble chart. We don't need to select the sheet because we have only one. And this is the sheet 1. So how do we do that? Company name. On Excel, we have no company name. And then let's first create with net income. So here, market cap and net income. And let's compare both later. So company market cap on row, net income on row. And we go here on show me. If that is not showing you, just click here, show me. And here, bubbles. And then let's see if we have the right spot. So company name is our label. That is good. Here, the size of the bubble is company market cap. That is what we want. So larger market caps goes on larger bubbles. And then the color is the net income. So here, the largest net income is Coca-Cola. The second one is PepsiCo. And then here we are going to different ones. If we want to change the colors, just come here, edit colors. Let's go here on orange instead of blue, for instance. However, let's do the same with market cap and cash flow. So let's duplicate it and see how cool it is. Market cap and cash. So here, what do we have? The color, we want to take this out. So what do we do? Net cash flow and just add it here. We don't want it. Move to color. And then here the net cash flow goes on blue. Let's do our colors by orange. Wow, now PepsiCo is quite large as well. So see that the color is a little bit different. But let's combine both. Let's go here on the new dashboard. And let's call it bubble chart. By default, you have no title. So you need to come here, dashboard, show title, bubble chart. And then, okay, the first one, the second one. Here we don't need this. And then we can compare both. We can compare both like this one or like this one, but not really, huh? So Control Z. We come back. So here, market cap and net income. So, okay, the size of the bubbles will be the same because the size of the bubble is the market cap. But see that the colors are not the same because the colors here, one is net cash flow, the other one is net income. And then we can change the size of the bubble from market cap to net income and cash flow or any other variable. So very straightforward here. And by the way, the link to this Tableau file is also on our video description. Okay, guys, so that's it. Quite a short video. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. And by the way, subscribe to our channel. You will be the first one to know when a new video arrives. Have a very nice day and God bless you.